So now we're just going to start making the ovaries. I have a thin wire that's about say 26G. I'm just going to cut the wires into 4 also, because it's just in the tip we are going to work. I'm just going to make one, and you will need 3 such ovaries. Okay, so first thing, when you're just going to add like a peppercorn thing on the top, we have to make the J hook, and this is like a pretty flexible wire, so you could just bend it with your fingers itself. So I just bent, and then I have this J hook. Okay, so first make that one, and then a little bit of glue, not too much, just a little bit. That much should be enough. And just taking a little bigger than a peppercorn, like a pea sized ball, right? I'm just going to insert it through the J hook and pull it a little below. You can see that there'll be a opening here at the back, right? We need to seal that, so that will be the goal. So I'm just going to pinch the base and first seal the base. And twist it so it is nicely sealed. Okay, so and then you have this at the stage, and now you just want to make the tip pointy. So I'm just going to use my fingers on the top like that, and then on the sides, and then on the top, and towards one side. I'm just pulling it towards one side. Okay, so that will be the shape that we are looking at. Okay, and then I'm just going to make one cut here from the top and all the way till here. Okay, so it's just a marking, we are not going to cut it, it's just an impression. And the size of it is usually very important. You have to make it as small as possible, because a bigger one like this will be like too prominent in the middle of the flower, and that won't look good. So this will be the ovary, and I'll get back with 3 such, and we also will be touching the tip with a little bit of color that will just go with the peony. So I have the 3 ovaries made. Okay, and I'm just going to color it. I'm going to use, you could also use petal dusks, but I'm just going to use gel colors. I have red in here and then green in there. That's an avocado green. So it's not the forest green. I'm just going to look for a lighter tinge. I'm also going to pour in a little bit of vodka to dilute the gel. The tip of the ovary is going to be red in color, so I'm just going to touch upon a little bit of the red and just brush the tip red. And then for the rest of them, I'm just going to keep it green. So we have the ovaries ready. I'm just going to allow them to dry up for some more time, and I'm going to get back in the next lesson to show how we're going to put these ovaries together with stamens and make the center of the peony.